If your car starts to vibrate heavily after snow, most likely the issue is there is snow stuck behind the wheel somewhere here. You see that? That's the snow that's throw out the balance. If you have no issue before the snow and your car start to vibrate on 50 or 60, it's the snow that's stuck behind the wheel. Okay. So that's where the issue is. Still there's snow inside. Alright, so no big issue. It's only check the snow stuck behind the wheel. That's a problem.